noticing how breathing fully comes natural for you, pausing to soak it in, and exhale any tension or worry. And 5, inhaling fully is an act of self-love, pausing to feel this love, and exhale into complete relaxation. And allow your breath to flow at a pace without any effort from you now. Good. By doing this, you are proving that you are capable of self-love. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes referred to as the rest and digest system. By breathing deeply and often, you are commanding your body to rest, which relaxes and rejuvenates you. This is self-love in its simplest form that anyone can do at any time of the day. Now let's honor ourselves by relaxing the mind even further. Notice how your thoughts are rising in your mind, one after the other. See them come and see them go. Some thoughts linger for some time, and some thoughts only come for a split second. If you really focus, you'll notice even smaller thoughts, such as describing the world around you or labeling the things in your surroundings. Let your hearing become super alert now, and try to focus on some sounds around you. Maybe you can hear the sound of your breath. Maybe you have headphones and you can only hear this beautiful hypnosis. Can you hear nature nearby? Or perhaps cars passing by? Or people talking with each other? Just go from sound to sound, focusing only on one at a time. Now stop focusing on any sound in particular and just allow all the noises around you to come in equally. And when you hear them, they almost act as tiny waves of relaxation, calming your mind. Good. Your mind relaxes when you activate your senses on command. Humans have the unique ability to visualize, which allows for creation of all kinds to take place. So let's use the power of your amazing visualization abilities to induce self-love. Making sure your eyes are gently closed, begin to imagine yourself full of an abundance of self-love. See yourself now choosing healthy foods and cooking at home.